Okay, that is basically what you like about studying English. Good. Luisa, how about you? Remember, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer all these questions. When the time is over, when it is 2 minutes, I'm going to say thank you. Yes? Okay. Luisa, your turn. Luisa, can you hear me? Luisa? What's going on with this? Hello, Luisa. But very bad. Hello? No, the connection is not working very well, Luisa. Because when you're speaking, sometimes it stops. So I cannot hear you. Hello? Luisa? How long have you been studying English? Ever? How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English? $5 years. Okay. Do you have any hobbies or interests? Do you have any hobbies or interests? Ah, good. No, you have to tell me the 5 of them. Surgeon, teacher, judge, football player, and politician. Okay, so what is the best part of being a teacher? Yes, what is the best part of being a teacher?